Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to enable slide up gesture to make a call in your Oppo A5s even the screen is off. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient, okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, go to gestures and motion, okay, click this. And okay guys, here in gesture in motion, okay, you can see the screen of gesture on the top, and okay, you all have to do is click this. And now here you can see the screen of gesture switch button on the right side. And okay guys, you only have to do is enable the switch button. And now, okay, you can see below the more screen of gesture, okay? You all have to do is click the screen of gesture to see the option or other screen of gesture in your Oppo A5s, okay? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the slide up gesture to make a call in your Oppo A5s even the screen is off. And okay guys, you all have to do is click the slide up gesture. And after that, okay, you'll have to do is click the call. And okay guys, now, okay, you can select the contact or phone number you want to call if you enable the slide up gesture, okay? So, okay, I select one of my contact, okay? For my example, I choose one of my contact. Okay guys, we have successfully enabled the slide up gesture to make a call in your Oppo A5s mobile phone even the screen is off. Okay guys, we can try it. Okay, we have to turn off the screen. And okay guys, now we can slide up into screen. And okay guys, the pop-up below are show, and okay, you can choose the SIM you want to call. Okay, I choose SIM 1. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the swipe up gesture to make a call in your Oppo A5s mobile phone even the screen is off. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.